sources are varied in number, like mobile tower, wireless phones, computers, laptops, TV towers, FM towers, AM towers, microwave ovens, etc. However, radiation emission from mobile towers are huge due to its dense installations and unscientific proliferation. Irradiation sources. All forms of life on Earth have been living amidst radiation through the ages. Radiation is present everywhere. All living beings are exposed to the sun, which is the largest radiation source. Many common known sources of radiation with advancement of technology include radio, transistor, television, microwave oven, mobile handset, mobile towers, and many more. 2. What is radiation? The radio frequency, RF, energy is a non-ionizing radiation like radiation from visible light, infrared radiation, and other forms of electromagnetic radiation with relatively low frequencies. Cell phone is a very, very low level of radio frequency energy. The type of energy emitted is non-ionizing. Means it does not cause damage to chemical bones or DNA. Though mobile phones emit radio frequency, RF, radiation, a type of non-ionizing radiation, which can have various health effects. While the levels of RF radiation from cell phones are not strong enough to cause DNA damage, they can still cause biological effects, primarily by heating tissues. There are concerns about potential long-term health effects, including an increased risk of certain cancers, especially brain tumors, though the evidence is still inconclusive. Important note: the scientific evidence on the long-term health effects of mobile phone radiation is still evolving, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential risks. However, taking precautionary measures, such as minimizing exposure time and distance, can help reduce potential risks. Some national radiation advisory authorities, including those of Austria, France, Germany, and Sweden, have recommended measures to minimize exposure to their citizens. Examples of the recommendations are: use hands-free to decrease the radiation to the head. Keep the mobile phone away from the body. Do not use telephone in a car without an external antenna.